What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, we're gonna be working on the C3. Now, if you saw the last video, you'll know I just bought this car to the channel. And what we're gonna be doing today is just kind of working some bugs out. Gonna get the seats bolted in so it's not as sketchy, and try to get the headlights and the turn signals to work. I don't know, I might have to wait on some parts. I don't really know yet, but we're about to find out. So yeah, let's just get right to it. All right, we got the driver's seat bolted in with one bolt, which is good enough for me. It looks like they had the bolts get stuck in the floor and they just cut them off. And on the other side, it's carpeted over. As long as I have one bolt in here, kind of rattles around, doesn't matter. I'll get a nut for this. And yeah, it'd be good enough. Again, I just want to get it drivable for now and then fix it as I go. All right, it got late last night, guys, so I couldn't really film because it's too dark, but I got pretty far in the interior here. Hold on, I gotta move this out the way. I got the door panel just kind of sitting on there. This door panel I had sitting on here, but whatever. Besides, I want to fall off all the time. But I got pretty much the whole interior in. This is not good. I got pretty much the whole interior in. I got these side pieces in. I got the one on the other side in. I got the cover the T-tops. This piece I have, and those two pieces I also have. But obviously, I don't have these side pieces bolted in, and I don't have that one bolted in, so can't really do anything about it. Other than that, the interior is pretty much good. So next, we got to do the brakes and figure out these goddamn headlights, because that's gonna drive me nuts. I also discovered that T-tops leak, so I had to rig something here. I gotta buy new T-top seals, sadly. Whatever, not really a big deal, but it is what it is. That's why it was leaking in the car. So yeah, anyways, guys, I'll catch you in this one. Peace.